Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make some pillowcases. I'll show you how to make this one. This I made out of some napkins. I also made these pillowcases from bigger napkins. I also made this one. This one is woven with some fringe on the side. If you guys want to learn how to make or weave, just leave a comment below and I can make a video to show you how to do that. And I'm also going to show you how to make floor cushion. It's made out of a giant, I think they're like doilies. I think that's what they're called. My mom actually she knitted this. So thanks to my mom, I can make these. They're really simple, super easy to make. So let's get started. First, pick your favorite oversized doily. Next, you're gonna grab the fabric you chose for your back. I chose a old fitted sheet. Now, you just cut around the doily. It doesn't have to be perfect. Next, add glue around the outside of the doily. I'm using a liquid glue. The reason I'm using glue is because I don't have pins to pin it down to the fabric. You're welcome to use pins, safety pins, whatever. I'm using glue just so it doesn't move around when I'm sewing it. Once the glue has dried, you'll need to cut another piece for the back. You'll need 2 inches from the edge of the doily to the edge of the fabric you're cutting. Take the cut fabric and fold it in half and cut along the fold. Now to get a clean edge, you'll want to fold one of the long sides and iron, and then fold it again and then iron again. Next, I'm taking it to the sewing machine and I'm just gonna sew a straight stitch. Then do the same for your other cut piece. Once I'm done, I start sewing the doily. I'm also doing a straight stitch all around the outside of the doily. Now that your doily is stitched to your fabric, lay it down facing up. Lay your cut pieces on top of the doily, nice side facing down. And make sure that you overlay the cut pieces. Now you're ready to stitch everything together. Follow the stitch you made when you sewed the doily onto the fabric. As you're sewing, make sure that nothing is moving. Keep everything in its place. Make sure that everything is in the right spot and continue sewing. Once you're done sewing, all you have left to do is to cut the extra fabric and then flip it inside out. Cool, it looks really cute. Next pillow cover, take a napkin, cut out a back with a 2-inch border all around, cut it in half, and do a straight stitch for a nice clean edge. Here I'm measuring a 15-inch square. So I want my pillowcase to be 15 inches. Now lay your back pieces and overlay them. Now you're ready to stitch. Cut the extra fabric and flip it inside out. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Check out my Patreon, my Instagram, and also my website to purchase some of the things that I made in some of the videos before and in this one. We'll see you next time.